today it's going to be another car cleaning video. I'll be cleaning this 2013 Ford Focus. It looks pretty clean on camera, but when you get up close and inspect it, the wheels are quite bad. And there's a lot of moss and lichen and things like that all in the little nooks and crannies. So it should clean up pretty nice. All the rubbers are really dry, so we'll treat all those. The inside isn't too bad at all. Quite clean actually, just a general vac, but I have actually got to repair the door rubber here, so we'll be gluing a new one, gluing that back on to the bottom of the door here. It's been cut off. That should be quite straightforward. I'm doing all inside the shuts as well. It should be quite a nice little job. Do it on there. Do like a little walk around, and then we'll do some befores and afters at the end of the video. So I'll get the vacuum cleaner out first, and we'll do the inside. So much better now. That was just a double contact wash really. I snow foamed it a couple of times, used a little bit of paint decontaminant. I think it's the citrus stuff from Auto Finesse. The label's actually fallen off, so I think it was actually that, but that's actually brought some of the actual paint contaminants out. I think you agree, yes, it's wet, and everything looks better when it's wet, but I think I agree the paint looks really nice now. So what I'm going to do now is give it a good dry off, and then I'm going to give it a little bit of ceramic wax, I think, just a spray ceramic wax, just to give it a bit of protection and a bit of lustre to the paint. And then I'll dress the tyres as well. The wheels have come up lovely. Use the Simonized wheel cleaner on those. I'll probably do a separate review on that. It's either going to be before or after this video, so go back and watch that if you want. Really nice little car actually. The old EcoBoost. The bumper's got some major gouges, so this is going to have to be addressed at another time. Probably have to repair and paint the front bumper, I think. Anyway, I get on before it dries. I'll dry it by hand and start waxing. So I've just gone around the last details now, make sure there's no smears and things on the glass, which there is there on the inside. Just get that. I've done all the rubbers with the Auto Glim tyre gel. Actually, it's quite a nice product. I like to use it on some of the plastics and the rubbers as well. It just nourishes them a little bit. They're ever so dry, these rubbers, so they're going to need a couple of coats really to actually bring the actual softness back to the rubbers. They are quite dry. I don't think they've ever been treated or coated with anything at all, so they're very brittle. But it's cleaned up really nice. There's a few little marks here and there. Definitely bumper quarters all need doing. A few scratches here on the wing. But other than that, it's quite nice. Engine bay's cleaned up really nicely. Headlights are all nice and polished. Just little details going around now. Just checking little bits and pieces. And then I think it's pretty much job done. Nice dent in the door there, just noticed. Little crease there, look. See that on camera? A mark in the handle there as well. Just little bits and pieces. So I'm going to go around again now, just double check it all, and then take it back to the customer, and it's job done. So there you go, all finished, a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. A few little areas that need attention still, but that can be done on the next job or when I paint the bumpers. So I hope you've liked this video. If you have, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, comment as well, most importantly subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.